In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive. Google Drive is a powerful cloud storage service that lets you store files remotely and access them from any device with an internet connection. It's essential for sharing documents, collaborating with others, or just keeping important files safe and secure. Let's dive into the features and functionalities of Google Drive and how you can leverage them to your advantage. First, open your web browser and type in drive.google.com in the address bar. This will take you directly to Google Drive. To use all the features that Google Drive offers, make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted with your Drive dashboard, which serves as the main hub for all your files and folders. The first thing you'll notice is the New button located at the top left corner of the screen. This button is your gateway to creating and uploading files and folders. If you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, offering various options for you to choose from. If you want to create a new folder, simply select New Folder. This option is useful for organizing your files into categories so you can find them easily later. Once selected, you'll be prompted to name your new folder. After naming it, click Create, and just like that, your new folder will appear in your Drive. If you already have a folder on your computer that you'd like to upload to Google Drive, the process is just as straightforward. Click on Folder Upload from the same drop-down menu. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer's files. Navigate to the folder you wish to upload, select it, and click Upload. The folder, along with all its contents, will now be safely stored in Google Drive. Now, creating new files directly within Google Drive is seamless. When you want to create a document, you'll see options for various types of Google documents, such as Docs for text documents, Sheets for spreadsheets, and Slides for presentations. Choose the type of document you wish to create, and it will open a new tab where you can start working immediately. All changes are automatically saved, so there's no need to worry about losing any data. For those files already on your computer that you want to save in Google Drive, use the File Upload option. Just as with folder uploads, you'll browse your computer, select the file you want, and click Upload. It's an easy way to ensure that all your important documents are accessible anytime and anywhere. And there you have it. A quick and easy guide to getting started with Google Drive. From creating and organizing folders to uploading and sharing files, you're well on your way to becoming a Google Drive Pro. Remember, it's a fantastic tool for keeping your documents safe and accessible, whether for personal use or for collaborative projects. Thanks for watching, and happy file managing.